Forget settling for mediocre AI videos. We're diving headfirst into the ultimate showdown. Sora AI versus Kling AI, which one reigns supreme? First up, Sora AI, OpenAI's game-changer, famous for its photorealistic videos. Think incredibly detailed scenery and characters that almost feel real. See the realistic texture, the natural lighting. Sora creates visually stunning scenes that were once unimaginable, but it's currently still in research phase. Now, let's talk about Kling AI from Kuaishou. Kling delivers impressive results in generating videos, especially noticeable in action, animation, and realistic body movement. Watch closely. Here, we're pitting them head-to-head with the same prompt. Notice how Sora leans toward realism while Kling adds a touch of cartoonish flair. Bottom line, Sora wins on realistic details, but Kling brings smoother animation. Sora has harder access while Kling is easier to use. So, the ultimate winner depends on your needs. Are you chasing photorealism or prioritizing animation and accessibility? Let me know in the comments which video generator you think is the best.